Today's tutorial, how to convert images to PDF in C#. Hello everyone, welcome to our tutorial on converting images to PDF using IronPDF. We're working with a C# console application, and I've already installed the IronPDF NuGet package. So let's go ahead and dive into our program.cs file and explore the code. In our main method, we start by defining the paths for our images. We have a single image path and a folder path where multiple images are stored. These will be used throughout all of our examples. We've set up 4 different methods to demonstrate various ways of converting images to PDF. Each method showcases a unique feature of IronPDF, allowing us to create different types of PDF documents from these images. So our first method, convert image to PDF with header, takes an image path as input. Inside this method, we're creating a PDF with a custom header. We use Chrome PDF render options to define an HTML header with blue title and divider line. The image to PDF converter is the critical component here. We pass our image path and the custom options to this converter, creating our PDF document. Finally, we save the PDF to a specified location on our drive. Moving on to our second method, converting image to PDF centered, we're demonstrating how to position an image in the center of a PDF file. This method uses a different parameter of the image to PDF converter to achieve this centered layout. Our third method, converting multiple images to PDF, is actually pretty cool. It shows how to combine multiple images into a single PDF. We use link to filter for JPEG files in our specified folder, then convert all of these images simultaneously. And the last method, convert simple image top PDF, demonstrates the most straightforward use of IronPDF, and it converts an image to PDF without any special formatting or positioning, perfect for quick, no-frills conversions. Now that we've completed our code, let's run the program and see the results. All right, so as you can see, the execution is complete and our PDF files have been generated successfully. So let's examine our output. Image to PDF with header PDF. Notice the blue header at the top of the page, followed by our image. This layout is ideal for reports or presentations where you might add context to your images. Next, we have image to PDF center.pdf. This image is perfectly centered on the page, creating a visually appealing document. This can be great for portfolios or showcasing individual photos. On the third output, multiple images to PDF, that combines all our images into one document. And this is perfect for creating photo albums or compiling multiple diagrams or charts into one cohesive document. Finally, we have simple image to PDF, a straightforward conversion of our image to PDF format. This method is ideal, again, when you need just a quick PDF version of an image without any special formatting. To wrap up, let's take a quick look at the original images we used in this tutorial. These images allowed us to demonstrate the flexibility and power of IronPDF in handling various image conversion scenarios. That's it for today. We hope that you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from our software. And if you'd like to get started with IronPDF, go ahead, sign up for a trial on our site and continue to download and install the package and experience the power of our software firsthand. Go ahead, click the link below in the description. Check it out for yourself.